Hello everyone and welcome to Flying Ants Academy. So before we actually dive into installing and configuring your system to run C programs, I would like to just go through a couple of important points like what are we going to install and why. So there are actually two components that we are going to install and which are required to execute a C program on a system. One is the compiler and the other is an editor. So I'll just go in short about what is a compiler and an editor, and then we'll move on to installing them. Okay, so as we have discussed, there are two components. One of them is compiler, and the other is an editor. So both of these components are important for any programming language, also in case of C. So these are the two components that we will be installing on your system before we actually start writing C program. So now what is a compiler? So you can consider compiler as a program or as a tool in itself or a software actually which converts high level language to machine understandable language. So what this means is that when you write C programs, as I told you, C is a high level programming language because the syntax and all are human readable. It is not English, but it is still human readable. So what the compiler does is a compiler takes your program or a C program and then converts it into a language, a low level language, a machine level language that the machine can understand. So we have to pass our code that we have written in our programming language towards a compiler which will compile the code and then we will execute it. So that is the use of compiler. Without this compiler, we won't be able to execute any C programs. Now second is editor. Editor, as the name suggests, you must all have used various editors. Notepad is an editor, Microsoft Word is an editor, TextEdit in Mac is an editor. So editor is actually something where you will write your code. Now obviously simple Notepad or Microsoft Word is not suitable for writing any programming language. So for C programs we have various editors we have Vim as an editor. You can also use Notepad++ as an editor. You can use Emacs as an editor and all those things. So editor is a place where we actually write our code. That's it. So these are the two main components, an editor and a compiler. An editor is used to write the code. A compiler is used to compile the code so that the machine can understand. Okay, so I have taken 3 videos. I have made 3 videos, 3 examples for 3 different systems. If you have a Mac system and if you want to configure it to execute C programs, please click on the link. This will take you directly to the Mac video where I will teach you how to install and configure your Mac for executing C programs. If you have a Windows system, I think most of you must be having Windows. If you have a Windows system, then you can click on this link. This will actually teach you how to install and execute stuff on Windows, install and execute C programs on Windows. If you have a Linux system, I hope most of you or some of you will be having Linux systems as well. It is absolutely wonderful to code and to program on Linux systems. It is nice. So for all the Linux users, please click on this link. It will directly take you to the video where you will get to know how to configure and install software and packages which are used to execute C program on your specific system. So yes, that's it for this video, and hopefully once you select your specific installation, once you configure your system, then we'll move on to writing the actual program.